So let's dive into the AgriBIT system. Type AgriBIT PA.ing.it and the credential of the administration user. Okay, sign in. You will be redirected in the dashboard page of the system. This is the cross-platform visualization of AgriBIT. That is the system where all the functionality of the AgriBIT project are available. The page is broken down in three main sections. The first one is the central page where you can find all the information. On the left we have the context menu. On the top right we have the scope menu. First of all, we have to say that the AgriBIT AgriBIT cross-platform visualization is a multi-tenant application. That means that each user can belong to one or more organization that you can see, and you can see clicking on this part of the page. Here you can see all the organizations you belong to. And you can switch from one organization to the other, to another. Clicking on, for example, on agriculture organization, you will be redirected in the scope of agriculture organization, where all the parcel and all the information belong just to this company. The second part is related to the central section of the system. On the top right, you can scroll up a little bit. Yes, we have the early warning, pest and disease early warning section. Here we have all the we gather the most important information of all the system. In this section, we have a summarization of the early warning system. This summarization is made up by three different charts. The first one is, and in this chart we can see the number of parcels in warning with different scope. The first is the number of parcels in warning by crop type. So we can, passing with mouse, we can see that now we have seven parcels with grapevine crop tape in warning. In the second chart we can see the number of parcels in warning by pest type. Here we can see that we have three different pests that are involved in this warning. And the final is the number of parcels in warning by risk type. We can see that we have three risk type active in this moment: low, maybe this moderate, and this is very high. Okay. The next part regards the list of the parcels. We can see the three most updated parcels. We have, of course, more parcels in than these three in the system. That are the parcels that have been updated recently, most recently. On the right, we can see the map where we can see all the fields and the boundary of the fields. If you click on one of these boundary, you can see the name of the boundary and a link. If the user click on this link, will be redirected in the detail of the field. So in each section, you can see that we have the show all button. Also, we have this button that put open the detail of the parcel, and this button, the other one, please click on it. Okay, click here. Yes, we have a detail of the soil composition of the parcel. Of course, the data have to be filled in. Clicking on show all here and here, we accede to the complete list of the parcel. The complete list of the parcel is available also clicking here in the parcels. It's the same section. Okay, here of course we have the list of the parcel and the most important information that regards the location of the parcel, the crop type, owner, the parcel, and the number of activity of the parcel. Clicking on the eye icon, we go to the detail of the parcel, where we can see, of course, the map of the parcel with the boundaries of the parcel. The most important information, also a button that show the detail information. Just click on the button. Okay, we can see here the detail information. Of course, they are not filled in, but using the edit functionality, the farmer can update this information. Also, we have the crop list. We have currently one crop, that is this Trebbiano Toscano. It's a grapevine. The activity list, we have no activity available in this field currently, but using the mobile app of delivered by the project, the farmer in the field can add activities like note, like samples, and the information updated by the mobile phone will be available here. Okay, the last action regards the pest and disease early warning. That is the same services available also in the dashboard page. This is the detail for this field, just for this field, and we can see that the pest and disease work advising for the next 7 days, and for each days, this future 7 days, we have different level of warning. We can see that tomorrow there will be a high level of risk, but the next day the level will go down. Okay, this is for regarding the detail of the parcel. Going scrolling up with the scroll mouse. Okay, we have also the edit icon. Please click on it. Clicking on the edit icon, the farmers, you of course, can modify the information, adding, for example, description, adding the soil, the result of soil analysis like sand, clay, silt, organic matter, and also adding crop list and crop date. Okay, let's go to the activities. Okay. As we said, user and farmers in the field can add activity using the mobile app. This activity will be shown here. Of course, in this scope for this organization, we are currently no activities. But for example, if you go on Me, we can see a list of activities. And for example, we can go and see this activity. Okay, we can see that the activities regard testing of new sensor, and the farmer in that case registered the sample of two of these soil sensor. Also, we can navigate to the related parcel, clicking on the eye. Okay. And as you can see here, there is the list of all the activity available for this field. We have 4 of activities, and clicking on this icon, you can enable also the point on the map, so you can have the reference of the activity directly on the map. Okay, let's go to another functionality, that is the monitoring functionality. To accede to the monitor functionality, we can go by the observe menu and monitoring submenu. Here we can see a list of fields. So always better to go to change the organization. Let's go to ACP Pella, which is an organization that deal with peach trees. Okay, we have these fields. Here there is the possibility to get map with different index value. This map helps to check the status of the field and to check the vigor of the plant. To do this, we have to select the field. For example, let's select this field. Okay. Okay, this field has already two maps been have been requested previously. This map, for example, is regarding carotenoid reflectance index, and this is an index that helps to understand the level of vigor of the plant. If you click on the map, you can see also the position, latitude and longitude, and the value of the index in that particular place. You can also copy the value and put the value in the clipboard, and there are also other commands here. Essentially, you can also request other field, because other map. This map is related, as we said, to the carotenoid reflectance index for this data. And you can ask for other maps by clicking on this request map. You can select one of these three indexes that are currently available. For example, optimized soil adjust vegetation index. Please click here. Okay. Select a date you want to get. Okay. For example, today, and click on save. The system will ask for the map, and going to the monitoring page, you will see that the request is in running mode. So currently the map is not available because it's under processing, and uploading the page. Okay, we can see the status of the page. So if we now go here, okay, we can see the new map. If we click on the map, okay, the map will be shown. This is green map. It means that the field is it's in a good shape. Okay, last but not least, we can see the list of the data source. Clicking on data source, the system allow user to position weather station on node sensors on fields, and to get information, gather information of this node station and weather station. In this case, we have two weather station positioning in two different fields, and if we go on the detail of the weather station, we can see the list of values of the sensor. We have different sensors like pressure, like soil moisture, gas speed, and temperature, humidity, and so on. The data sent to the system will be registered and stored in the system, so the user can have each time you want a complete monitoring of the field. Other feature will be added. We have also, for example, another field that is added recently, going analysis. Okay, yield estimation. Okay, we can switch to agriculture, for example. Okay, this is the yield estimation functionality. By this functionality, clicking on one of these lists, we can see the estimation of yield estimation is a simulation that is driven by a model developed by the Food International Organization, and that estimate the possible production, the possible production for each year from for example, from 2024 to 2029, running different simulation on different climate scenarios, future climate scenarios. Okay, we can go back to the dashboard. Okay, and that's all. That's all for the current functionality of the system. Thank you.